So these guys have a tough job ahead of them. They need to cut down this massive redwood tree, standing dangerously close to this house. They start by cutting off the branches. But since the house is right underneath, they use a huge crane to carefully lower the branches. After all the branches are cut off, they switch to a zipline system to send smaller sections of the tree safely to the ground. But as the wood gets thicker and heavier, the zipline can't handle it anymore, so they go back to using the crane to lift down large logs. Then they reach the base of the tree, but the trunk is so thick, they have to cut it into 3 massive pieces and lift them out. And look at this cute kid admiring their work.